to Shy Anita's engaging classroom where learning meets fun. 1 week isn't over yet, and here I am with another fabulous video. Hope you all had a fantastic Halloween. Now, as you might remember, last day, during the Halloween, I didn't give any classes, but before that, on the last Friday before Halloween, we did this tasks thingy. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how I did it. Now, you might think, do I need to do like she did it? Absolutely not. You can do it in your own way, be creative, and create stuff. Now, so this is the first task. I'm gonna show you how I did it. Now, this is my result, but I'm gonna teach you writing like this. You might make it a bit bigger or something. This is like a very basic page I made. You can add like colors and stuff. So no problem in that. And yeah. Okay. So first, my God, let me see. First, as you all know, what do we start with? Yes, we start with the HTML, right? Like this, we go and write the head, then the title. Okay, now in this one, I'm showing you how I did it, but I'm not going to be repeating the same things and the same things all the time. So if you watch one of my videos, then I'm pretty sure you already know how to do these stuff. But if you didn't watch my video, then please do watch them before watching this, because otherwise you wouldn't be understanding anything. Right, title and then head closes. I'm not going to be repeating stuff like why am I putting these first or something, right? And then I can put style. Oh, sorry, style is supposed to be in the middle of head. Okay, now in the background color, don't get confused seeing this. This is just a color code I got for like a specific kind of color. You can search them up in Google and get these. And this is also, I taught you what they are, I taught you style. So you need to watch my previous videos. This is the 8th part of HTML, right? So I'll tell you one by one what I did and exactly each of the part. Oh, another thing before telling you the name of the videos which we did. Now, as you might see, I changed my channel name to Our Classroom because there were like some problems happening. But Our Classroom is still my classroom only, okay? So, on the first part of HTML, we covered the introduction. Second part was basics, like making tables. Third part was tags of HTML. Fourth part was writing HTML in different languages. Fifth part was revision 1. Sixth part was paragraph and line division. And seventh part was revision 2. So this is the eighth part, which has the answers to part 7 or revision 2. Okay, and back to the context. So these, I think I taught them in the I don't remember exactly, but I think most probably, I'm not sure that much, but most probably I taught them this in part 4. Okay, probably, yeah, most probably. So how to use style and stuff. But okay, so I put these, and next I'm gonna put some other stuff, the contents I like to put. Right. So there at the very top, there's Happy Halloween, then there's Spooky Nights, Glowing Pumpkins, and Trick or Treat Delights. Halloween is the time for costumes, candy, and a little bit of fright. I've done it in paragraph form. Oh, along with that, very, very important. If you want if you want me to teach you how to do emojis in computer, then just do not worry, okay? I will teach you them. So what I'm gonna do then is what you need to do is I'm gonna put out a selection box, and if you select yes, that means then I'll give a video on how to use emojis on the computer. Okay, next thing is right. So this is the whole of the thing now. That's it. Now let's see what's our result for this. Yes, this is the result. It's Happy Halloween on the top, and this and the background colors which I put in there represent this color only. So yeah. Okay, now the next one which I did for my Halloween was this. So my Halloween celebration, same icons, but yeah. Okay. Right. So you might do something else. So here it might be different again, but okay. So let me first text it and then show it to you. Okay, I just realized I wrote my Halloween here instead of Happy Halloween, but okay. That's fine. And the background color, there's also a problem. By mistake, I put down the wrong background colors. This is not it. Okay, I'm gonna show you the right background color. Right, so as you might see, this is a new one. This is actually what I did because it's Comic Sans, MS, cursive, and everything. Okay, now that was by mistake. I typed it wrong and then I later realized it. Okay, now this is the HTML coding for my Halloween, right? So, first it's HTML, it's HTML language. You don't need to write that, clearly optional. Then head, then title, then style. Then in the style, the background color is gibberish, color is gibberish, font family is poppin, sans serif, text align is center, style head. Now body, I have written down my Halloween celebration. And then in a paragraph form, I wrote down, every Halloween I light up my room with glowing pumpkins and play spooky music all night. I love dressing up as something special, maybe a witch, maybe a cat, and going trick-or-treating with my friends. After the candy hunt, we tell ghost stories under the moonlight while sipping hot chocolate. It's all about love, mystery, and a sprinkle of fright. You can write something else, absolutely. So, okay, let me show you. Yeah. So this is the end result. Stop is my Halloween celebration, and I have written them like this. Very simple, very smooth, very easy. So, until next time, it's me, Shy Anita, dropping off. Keep learning, keep exploring, be curious. Bye!